Welcome back. We made it to day 10. Today, we're building this super practical smart distance meter. Yup, double digits. That's a huge milestone on our journey together. Time to celebrate. And this isn't just another project. You're building a real tool, a digital tape measure. We're combining the sensor's eyes from day 8 with the screen's voice from day 9. So how do we get these two to talk? Let's dive in. The secret sauce? It's all about a super fast, continuous loop. Just remember this simple mantra: sense, calculate, display, and then repeat. First, the ESP32 sends out a ping. It's basically asking, what's out there? Then it instantly crunches the numbers from that echo to find the exact distance. And bam, it blasts that measurement right onto your OLED screen for you to see. And get this, that whole loop runs more than a dozen times every single second. And the end result, a seriously cool tool that you built with your own 2 hands. This isn't just some toy, it's a standalone, highly accurate measuring tool. Okay, so we've mastered measuring distance, but what about the invisible world around us? Well, get hyped, because on day 11, we are going to build our very own weather station.